Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile by clicking at the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then go to menu and select settings and privacy. And from there, tap on creator tools and controls and simply locate the option to switch account type and select switch to personal account. Just confirm that you want to switch to personal account, and after a short while, when you go back to your profile, you won't be able to see the professional dashboard anymore, and that means that your account is now a personal account. And that's it. That's how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!